Are you tired of talking to a people who never buy from you? Well, I have created this AI lead qualifier and call booking system which can save you hours of week. Like just imagine if you have a product of 10k and you are selling it to a person, a lead who is earning 6k. So will he buy? No, right? So that's why this AI agent which I have created comes in the picture. So basically what it does is the lead will fill the whole information, the customer will fill the whole information, and my AI will see whether the lead is qualifying the criteria or not. So as you can see here, I have set the budget as a criteria. If the customer's budget is about 10k, so he is qualifying. So as soon as he qualifies, as you can see, my AI agent, what it does, it sends him email. Okay, it sends him email with one-on-one calling link, where he can book a call with you one on one, right? And as you can see, it's working. So I have finally received the mail here, and in order to book a call, I have attached the Calendly here. So you can see he can even book one-on-one call after qualifying. And the thing which you have to do is just you have to do a call with him, so you don't have to waste your time in just qualifying the leads. My AI agent will do it. Just you have to focus on your outbound call, and even your sales team will get a notification after a lead is qualified. Okay, so basically what here happening is you are focusing only on call to convert that real customer into your business, right? Whereas you don't have to waste plenty of hours in just qualifying and segregating the leads. Now let's try one more time. So let me refresh it once, and again I am filling all those information here. Okay, so the customer will fill all this information here, and he will write his company's budget or his own budget. And if his own budget qualifies the budget which you have mentioned, or which is your minimum budget, then you're good to go. Okay, then only you will do one-on-one call with him, and then only he can be your real customer. So you don't have to waste plenty of time dealing with the customers who are not even ready to buy your things. So this is where you will save plenty of time. So as you can see, finally I have filled the form, the information has been gathered here, the AI is analyzing, and if the budget is qualifying, my AI is sending him the mail for one-on-one meeting link with you. And even your sales team will get this notification that the lead has been qualified. So basically this AI agent is doing work of many people and saving your hours, so that you can only focus on doing one-on-one call with an original customer who really deserves your product, right? So this is the main thing. By this you can save plenty of your time, so that you can invest it in one-on-one outcalling and making it overall productive. So if you want me to set up this exact system for your business, make sure you comment me and DM me so that we can discuss it further.